Gage says where?
Reporting from Tampa, Hurricane Elsa coverage.
There ain't nothing, man. There was a
Starting
thunderstorm from this afternoon.
It was a tiny thunderstorm. Dennis Phillips is the only meteorologist that covers the weather correctly.
What's that guy sucks.
Well, we don't have to say that. But
That guy sucks.
he's just a little, he likes to hype it up a little bit too much. It wasn't that big of a deal. But we're going to drive around here and see if there's any flooding, because there was a constant rain. So we're going to see if any streets are flooded in our neighborhood.
Where's the guy who got his car stuck?
Uh-oh.
We don't know. We're going to try to find it.
Oh no, they're going to go look at the retention flood. Oh dang, it is flooding pretty good. County, I better get that pump on. Oh, that whole pond is flooded. Dang. All right, so somebody said there was a car flooded out over here in front of the mini mart. We're gonna be we drive a real man's truck, an F-250, lifted on 35s.
Oh my gosh.
It is kind of flooded. Let's see.
Okay, just this one part of the road.
Should we push the water up into these people's house?
No.
See these little Hondas go through. I'm gonna slow down because I don't want to flood your car, buddy.
Man, it's a little deep.
How deep is it?
Looks like it might be a couple feet.
Oh my god! We got the whole
Oh, the poor Bright House guy was behind me. I didn't see him.
What do you mean?
He's behind me and I just flooded all that water into his car.
Dude, the guy that was just at a house?
No.
I did that.
How did I do that? We drive a big boy truck. Trying to help baby girl stuff.
There's some standing water on the sides of the roads, but nothing too bad. Just a couple spots that are flooded.
Pond at their school.
It's getting pretty high.
It is getting pretty high.
I'm not going to.
There's another county truck.
It's higher than it usually is, I can tell.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Barrett and I saw the baby alligator in there. Oh, and Gage was with us too. We all saw the baby alligator the other day. He's small.
Yeah, that means Mama's somewhere.
I know.
No, it's
Tiny little
not.
alligator.
We just got the day off or something.
More standing water over here.
We don't
There's
care,
a house for
Mom.
sale over here that I
We don't
want.
care, Mom. Okay.
Monkey see, monkey do.
Excuse me.
See, monkey do.
Look at those horses. They're drinking water.
Ew. Ew.
Let's see, is Gage's school flooded?
Oh, wow.
Oh, it is pretty flooded.
Oh, that. I want to see.
Just the front ditch. Oh, this guy's yard is flooded. Holy crap.
Holy moly.
Wow.
The pond is.
Yeah, your whole pond is flooded.
The pond isn't.
Filled.
The pond isn't.
This one's filled too.
The pond isn't usually that high.
Gage's school.
Oh my God! This part of the pond is almost. It's almost flooded. Hey, I saw you at school. I know. I love to go to school. Okay. Whoa. Oh my! You just got a bird wet. Got a bird wet.
Is there a birdie on the side of the road?
No, it was behind that gate over there. And
Drive around the neighborhood and see if we can find the flooded streets. the height and now it's drying up. Yeah, that did get pretty high. Look, it's all the way up their driveway.
Yeah.
That wasn't us though. Insane. This canal's pretty deep. Probably normally about 6 feet deep, right? It's completely full of water.
The canal itself?
Yeah.
No, it's probably more than 6 feet.
Yeah, it's at least 6 feet. And usually these were dry. Where these little ponds are now, that's usually dry. All the birds are out. There's a bunch of birds. Higher than normal. This is a field where people usually play soccer and baseball and stuff. There's a sidewalk there that's underwater. Whoa.
Sorry, I rode over the parking lot.
So that's a huge field that's completely underwater. Wow. The birds are loving it. All the birds and ducks are out. It's been so dry here for so long. Finally, we got like a week or two of good rain, and then we had the hurricane rain. Oh, so adventurous we are. Going in the puddles.
Nicole wants to be the bad person flooding out people's houses.
Oh my gosh. You could go faster than like 2. with the HOA that drives around and takes pictures of all the violations. So of course he's driving around the day after a hurricane. I wonder what kind of violations he's gonna mail out right after a hurricane. I swear he does it just to mess with people. I like their sign, how it looks like Scrabble pieces. No, babe. We're going 6 miles an hour.
I just feel bad.
I know.
I'm messing with you.
I don't know. Oh, there's a car behind us. You're going like really slow. Woo. Oh, we went 15. Watch out, Daredevil over here. Oh, look at that truck. I don't know why people try to drive through this. There's like so many different ways. There's so many different ways you can go in this neighborhood without driving through one of these puddles, unless you live on a cul-de-sac like that. There's like so many different ways you can go that you can avoid these.
Why is it all water?
I'm glad our house doesn't have to, we don't have to worry about this. This is stressful. This water got pretty high and pretty close to some of these houses. It's already receded a little bit. It hasn't rained in a few hours. So I'm glad that our drainage is good. We don't have to worry about this. I know, but that's because this isn't our street. If it was on our street, but we can't just pull over and play. I mean, I guess we could.
This is why you buy big trucks.
Bad idea. Bad idea. Zero given. Somebody must want a new car. They figure,
look at all
look
this
at
smack.
Truck made it through. Our tour of the neighborhood is over. So we can put the side-by-side up. It's nap time. So we'll put him down for a nap and then work on some house projects.
Close all the way.
Ew. yard dried up a lot. There's still some standing water. Just got little branches that fell. Nothing crazy. We didn't get a lot of wind or anything.
I was gonna try to splash you with mud.
Gee, thanks.
Can you let Barrett out?
Hi, honey. I love you. We got some muddy pups playing in the Hurricane Elsa mud puddles in the backyard. Now they're going to be stuck out here for a while until we can get them cleaned up. Huh, crazy pups? Huh, crazy pups? Huh? Hi, Colty. Hi, Colty. Hi, Remy.